Let's learn how to slice, y'all. So the first thing you're gonna need is a nice bold font for slicing. So I'm going to pick the font, and it's going to be the BFC. BFC has great fonts. They're really cute and quirky, and they have a lot to choose from. But I'm going to be using the BFC font, the BFC craft table. So as you can see, it's a nice big bold font. And I'm going to make it bigger so we can get to slicing. I'm going to change the default color to black. And I'm going to change my wording to party time. So I'm just going to bring it over so you guys can see it better. We're going to unlock our dimensions. Always remember to unlock your dimensions, y'all, when you're working with the font, so you can adjust the sizing according to whatever project you're working on at the time. So we have our body time. I'm happy with it. As you can see, the slice option is not highlighted, so it's not functional yet. And there's a reason. The reason is you have to have an offset behind it. Offset is the feature in Design Space that lets you use a shadow or a decorative outline or layer behind your original text. So as you can see, I'm just going to go to offset, and you can choose a curved shadow. You can choose a straight shadow. But for this text, we're going to choose the curved shadow because I think it will just look better and it's easier for you to learn how to slice. So we go back to the corner. We're going to hit apply. And now we're going to get our slice on. As you can see, it attached the shadow, same wording, to your original font. And the slice is now an option that you can use. So we're going to hit slice. And now you got 3 separate party time lettering. Easy, right? So it gives you the option to have your original party time wording. And it's going to also give you the option to have the outline of your party time. So split it in 3. You can use all 3, or you can use just 2 of the wording, as if you're going to put this on a t-shirt. You can also use it as the outline if you're going to layer a t-shirt project, and you can put your first light gray as your outline and then your original text inside, and it will make a really cute layered project. And that's how you slice. You can also actually use the outline if you didn't want your original text, just for your project that you would be working on at the time, or your design. Now we're going to hide what we just learned how to do, and I'm going to show you how to slice an image. So let's go to images, and we're going to go to Disney, and we're going to choose Disney Princess. No, let's choose Cinderella. So I'm going to go with this Cinderella because she has a nice full body. Now that she's applied to our canvas, let's split Cinderella in half. Don't forget to unlock your dimensions. Now you can tell she's a layered project because she comes with these pink blush marks. I'm going to get rid of those. And now we just have the full face and body of our Cinderella. I'm going to make her a little bigger. And now we're going to split Cinderella in half, y'all. So you're going to go to shapes. You're going to pick a square. Don't forget to unlock your dimensions. So now you're going to pull your square and make sure she covers the bottom half of Cinderella's body. I'm going to change it to a lighter color because it'll show me exactly when the slice takes effect. Now I'm actually going to make sure I align Cinderella so that she's centered with the square that we are putting at the bottom of her body. So you center horizontally and you see how she moved over? So that means she's proportionate and centered to the square. Slice is now highlighted and we're just going to slice her in half. I just want to show you again. Remember, you want to put it to the bottom and cover the bottom half of her body so we can split her in half. She's nice and centered, and now we're going to slice. And as you can see, the slice took effect. I can see the slice marks there. So we're just going to get rid of our slice portions because we don't need them. And let's split Cindy. Really. And there you have it. That's how you split an image using the slice feature in Design Space. So let's give a little razzle dazzle. And we're going to center her again. Of course, remember you always go to your alignment and you're going to align, center her horizontally. So now she's straight and flush with the bottom half of her body. Now if you wanted to add a little something in the middle of your Cinderella, you can put a name. I'm going to go with the name Isabella. Don't know why, I just chose it. And now that lettering is a little off, so we want it to be a nice, cute font. So I'm going to go with Annie Lou. Annie Lou is actually my favorite font in Design Space right now. I use it for a lot of different designs. She's a clean script font, and I like what she gives when you put on the projects you're working on. So now you see we're going to put Isabella in the middle. I'm going to pull Cinderella's body down and make it proportionate to our name. Going to change your colors. I think I like pink. No, purple. There you have it. Now look at that, y'all. We split Cinderella in half and we made her a full design. And you were able to put the name in the middle. This would be great if you were making a design for, let's say, a little girl's birthday party. And there you have it. This is how you learn how to slice using the option in Cricut Design Space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more friendly tutorials using Cricut.